If you have ever had the opportunity to travel through the northern highlands, where the mountains and forests are vast, the clouds drift slowly, and the roads wind through the wild nature, then you must have come across small, simple shops on the side of the road, next to the billowing smoke from the kitchen, where a few ethnic women are grilling meat on a wood stove, each skewer sizzling and burning, the whole stretch of road smelling fragrant. The first time I stopped at a rest stop like that was on the way from Ha Giang back to Hanoi. At that time, the sky started to get dark. The wind from the forest blew down. The whole car was quiet because everyone was tired. Just then, the driver said, "Let's stop for 15 minutes, eat some grilled meat skewers to warm our stomachs." The whole car rushed down like a swarm of bees, and at that moment, the smell of grilled meat on the wood stove has remained in my memory until now. The stall was simple, just a few wooden panels put together. The roof was made of corrugated iron, the kitchen was made of earth, the firewood was burning red, and the smoke was billowing. But from afar, you could clearly hear the sizzling sound of fat dripping onto the hot coals, mixed with the smell of burnt meat, fragrant grilled onions, garlic, and chili. That smell was unlike any other place I had ever eaten in the city. It was rustic, wild, and full of sincerity. The skewers here were not marinated elaborately, just pork belly or lean shoulder meat cut into square pieces, marinated with salt, wild pepper, a little chopped onion, dried chili, then left as is, skewered on bamboo sticks, grilled over red-hot charcoal. No cooking oil, no pre-marinated sauce, but it was that simplicity that created its own flavor. The smell of wood smoke, the smell of burnt fat mixed with the natural sweetness of the meat. Taking a bite, I had to exclaim, "So delicious." I remember that day there was a Hmong woman grilling meat. She wore a colorful brocade dress, held a bamboo fan in her hand, and while grilling, she smiled toothlessly. "It's hot, but it smells so good, right?" I just nodded, then reached out to receive 2 hot skewers. The meat was golden brown, steaming, and the aroma went straight to my nose. No need for fancy dipping sauce. Just dip it in salt, pepper, and crushed lemon. Or sometimes just leave it as is and eat it. It's enough to warm my heart. Perhaps because of the cold highland climate, eating a piece of grilled meat in your hand in the chilly weather felt warm to the core. Next to the meat stove, the ladies also boiled sticky corn, local chicken eggs, and even grilled bamboo rice, wild bananas, and sold bottles of mineral water and hot ginger tea. Everything was simple, but it touched the hungry stomach, cold heart, tired body of the passerby, making everyone who ate it exclaim. I still remember the crackling sound of firewood, the sound of the lady fanning the stove, the sound of the wind whistling gently through the mountain crevices. The scenery is so peaceful. People stop to eat, chat a few sentences, some ask to take pictures, some just nod silently and eat, as a way to enjoy without words. Each skewer of meat is only 10 to 15,000, cheap as free. But the value it brings is immeasurable. It is the feeling of being warmed in the middle of a long and tiring journey, the honesty of the Highlanders transmitted through each thin layer of smoke, the slowing down of time so that we can truly feel a dish with all 5 senses. If you have the chance, try stopping by the roadside once, eating a skewer of grilled meat like that. No need to rush, no need to go far. Just stand there, close your eyes, listen to the smoke running through your hair, listen to the aroma seeping into your clothes, to know that sometimes a small dish is enough to make the whole journey memorable.